Welcome to day 6 of 7 of the IELTS listening series. Today we are tackling section 4, the final course of the IELTS listening exam. You're listening to one speaker, one long lecture, and there are no breaks. If you want to keep up with getting overwhelmed, you need to master skill 6, tracking signposting language. Most students fail this section because they get lost in the academic vocabulary. They hear a word they don't know and panic, and by the time they recover, the speaker has already finished 3 more questions. In section 4, if you lose your place, it's very hard to find it again. Think of the speaker as a GPS. They use signposting words to tell you exactly when they are turning a corner or starting a new topic. If you listen for the signs, you will never get lost in the lecture. Listen for the transition signals, such as moving on to, in addition to, surprisingly, or however. Scan the subheadings. The exam paper is your map. If you see a bold heading like economic impact, stop listening for history and start listening for money. Predict the part of speech. Look at the gap. Do you need a noun, an adjective, or a number? Predicting the type of word helps your brain filter out the noise. Let's do a real test example. Look at the question. Now, listen to the audio.
Moving on to our findings regarding local wildlife. We expected to see a decline in species variety near the factories. However, what was truly unexpected was the significant number of rare owls that had established nests right in the heart of the industrial zone.
All right, let's now discuss. The answer is rare owls. The speaker used moving on to signal the start of the wildlife section, and the word surprised in the question was paraphrased as unexpected in the audio. Here are some pro tips for section 4. Number 1, keep your eyes moving. Always be looking at the next question while listening for the current one. Number 2, ignore the big words. You don't need to understand the scientific names of plants or chemicals. Just listen for the words surrounding the gap. Now it's your turn. Read the script and comment the one word that fits the gap. Here's the script. The question is, the study found that the main cause of problem was blah blah blah. Comment your answer below. And if you're tired of guessing and want to see your actual predicted score, go to test.hiatlaz.com. Our prediction test is a total game changer for your study plan. And that's it for day 6. You're one step away from finishing the listening week. Hit that follow button for day 7, where we wrap it all up with final review and mock test strategies. Hit like if this helped you stay focused, and see you!